In the world of woodworking, few ventures carry the same blend of creative satisfaction and financial opportunity as crafting custom furniture. It represents a unique intersection between art and functionality, where craftsmanship becomes not only a means of personal expression but a practical, high-demand service with the potential for real income. As modern consumers seek out pieces that reflect individuality, quality, and sustainability, the custom furniture market is thriving. For woodworkers, whether seasoned or just beginning to hone their skills, this niche offers both purpose and profit. Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of high-demand woodworking project design ideas to making money with custom furniture. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The practicality of entering the custom furniture arena lies first in its direct response to market demand. Mass-produced furniture, though widely available and affordable, often falls short in durability, personalization, and uniqueness. Consumers are increasingly aware of these shortcomings. In response, many are turning away from flat-pack solutions and toward pieces that offer a longer lifespan, a story behind their creation, and a tailored aesthetic that suits their specific spaces. This shift represents a fertile ground for woodworkers who can craft quality, custom pieces that speak to the buyer's identity and lifestyle. Beyond the emotional or aesthetic value, custom furniture also addresses very practical needs in modern living. Homes come in countless shapes and sizes: urban apartments, compact condos, spacious country houses, and not all standard furniture fits these varying spaces efficiently. This opens up a consistent demand for custom design pieces like built-in desks, floating shelves, narrow dining tables, or understair storage solutions. When people can't find the perfect fit in stores, they turn to makers who can craft it just for them. This personalization is not only desirable, it's often necessary, and customers are willing to pay a premium for it. From the perspective of a woodworker looking to generate income, the advantage of working in this space is the ability to command higher prices. Unlike standardized furniture, where profit margins are thin due to mass production and competition, custom furniture allows for pricing based on value, time, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. Clients understand that they are paying not just for materials, but for a design tailored to their needs, one that likely won't exist anywhere else. This positions the maker as a professional providing a luxury, bespoke service, one that carries the prestige and financial rewards often associated with artisanal trades. There's also the practicality of scalability. A woodworker doesn't need a large workshop or an expensive retail front to get started in custom furniture. Many successful makers begin in garages, basements, or shared workspaces, relying more on creativity and quality than volume. Custom work, by its nature, is slow, deliberate, and high-touch. It prioritizes quality over quantity, which means you don't need to produce dozens of pieces a week to make a living. A few well-priced commissions per month can cover expenses and generate profit, especially when paired with smart marketing and client relationships. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, the tools and technologies available today make entering this market more accessible than ever. From design software that helps with visualization and precision planning, to social media platforms that allow artisans to showcase their work and attract clients without traditional advertising, woodworkers can build a business model around visibility and connection. A well-crafted Instagram post or a behind-the-scenes video on YouTube can bring in as much interest as a physical showroom once did. This digital presence not only expands a woodworker's reach, but also builds trust and transparency, which are critical in the world of custom craftsmanship. Another layer of practicality in making money with custom furniture lies in its flexibility. Custom furniture is a broad category that can be tailored to personal strengths, interests, and resources. A woodworker might specialize in rustic farmhouse tables, mid-century modern consoles, or Japanese-inspired joinery. Others may focus on children's furniture, outdoor pieces, or home office setups. This versatility allows makers to pivot and evolve with market trends, seasonal demand, or even personal passion. It's a field that encourages growth and learning while offering space for creative exploration and reinvention. Working in custom furniture also allows woodworkers to build meaningful client relationships, an often overlooked but deeply rewarding aspect of the business. Unlike retail transactions, custom projects are collaborative. Clients are involved in the design process, from initial concept to finished selection. This dialogue creates a sense of investment and trust on both sides. For the woodworker, it's not just about delivering a product, it's about fulfilling a vision. These relationships often lead to repeat business, referrals, and long-term success. Satisfied clients are your best advertisement, and each finished piece becomes a portfolio item with potential to attract new inquiries. From a sustainability standpoint, custom woodworking is aligned with a growing emphasis on eco-conscious living. Using local or reclaimed wood, designing for longevity, and avoiding the waste associated with mass production all contribute to a more responsible way of furnishing homes. For many consumers, especially younger generations, sustainability is a driving factor in their purchasing decisions. Woodworkers who embrace this ethic not only reduce their environmental footprint, but also align themselves with values that resonate in the current marketplace. Financially, the long-term potential in custom furniture is strong. As reputation grows, so does demand, allowing makers to raise prices and take on larger or more complex projects. With time, some woodworkers transition from solo operations into small studios, hire apprentices, or branch into related areas like cabinetry, interior builds, or even product design. What begins as a side hustle or passion project can evolve into a full-time business supported by word of mouth, craftsmanship, and an ever-expanding client base. Of course, custom furniture making is not without its challenges. It demands patience, discipline, and attention to detail. There can be difficult clients, long hours, and the occasional project that doesn't go as planned. But for those who are passionate about the craft, these challenges are part of the process, a way to grow, improves, and refines both skill and service. Unlike mass manufacturing, where individuality is lost, custom woodworking is a journey of continuous learning and meaningful output. It turns wood into story, labor into art, and passion into livelihood. In the practicality of making money through high-demand custom furniture is rooted in the alignment between market needs and creative capability. It's a field that invites craftsmanship, rewards quality, and respects individuality. For the modern woodworker, it offers not only the chance to earn, but to build something lasting, both in business and in the homes of clients. As more people seek depth, quality, and meaning in their purchases, the opportunity to provide these values through custom furniture has never been more timely or more rewarding. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked high-demand woodworking project design ideas to making money with custom furniture. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.